day, bang on 10 a.m. and I've been waiting for the 4-hour close on the Aussie dollar at the moment. So we've just got the 4-hour close, and what I can see here is a 3-pin pattern, 1, 2, and 3, just close on the previous day's low point there. Okay, and we also have a confluence with the weekly support, 0.7575. So yeah, with this one, I'm watching this, as you can see, on the daily time frame. Yesterday, the psychology behind this trade, the market psychology, was that I was watching Aussie. Many people were going along, and I knew that there would have been stops below this point here. The market's now taken out those stops. We have found our weekly support, again, key level importance. All of these key levels are in the key level section for everybody. And I've just literally entered this trade. So this is the actual setup I've gone for. So long after this close of the third candle there, 1, 2, and 3, my stop is 20 pips below the low. Let me just bring this in. 20 pips below the low there. So at 61, we're going for 41. And my target, I want at least, that's a 1-to-1 right there, but my target I could potentially go for, I'm going to stick with the previous day's high there. So 49 pips, risking 33 on this trade. Intraday trade, to be honest. Say it's Friday. It's been a little bit of a hectic week, to be honest, in the market. But that's my actual trade setup. It's a 4-hour trade setup, risking 33 pips for a potential of 49. I do believe that Aussie could potentially come all the way back up to key area of resistance, because there would be stops around here somewhere. We're going to go into too much detail, but that is what I'm looking for on the Aussie at the moment. So that's the before shot, 3-pin formation on the weekly support, and the prior day's low on the 4-hour. I've been patient, I've waited. It's 10 a.m. on Friday morning. Let's see how this one goes. Okay, folks, here it is, the aftershot, less than 4 hours, 5 hours later. So my target was placed a few pips below the daily high. So risk reward of 1 to 1.8, 1 to 1.8, sorry, 1 to 1.48, more or less 1 to 1.5. I explained why and where I placed my stop loss. My target was at the daily highs there. I did say we can potentially go high, which I'm not yet seeing. Shooting star on the 4-hour time frame at the moment, but it hasn't actually closed and completed. So who knows? But I'm not really interested in that now, because I'm out of the trade. It's a 49 pip win. Well, 49 pips on here. However, the actual pip count is 46. Due to spreads and me placing my target just below the daily high. But as you can see here again, the sheer accuracy of it's just poked its head up a pip or two above the previous day's high, and then as you can see, it's pulled back, I won't say substantially, but around 25-30 pips. Daily time frame, we can see more or less a tweezer bottom on the weekly area of support. Today is Friday, we haven't actually finished the day yet. But it'd be interesting to see how this plays out. Maybe we could rebound and make new highs, or maybe we can come back into the lows of today and close as a doji, so who knows. Well, that's the trade there. I explained exactly why I went through it. Okay, target has been achieved in one day, again in one session, so it's been a pretty good week actually. All in all, I'll do the pip count on another video, but in this week, well over 100 odd pips, 200 pips, sorry, net profit. So that's that. So I hope you enjoyed that video, guys, and that was the Aussie dollar trade. So thank you.